Cutting across to the live visuals coming in of Prime Minister Modi heading to Kazan for the 16th Brics Summit. Remember, Prime Minister Modi is now departing for Kazan, Russia, to attend the 16th Brics Summit. This will be the first summit of the group following its expansion last year. Remember, the grouping comprising of Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, which was added to the list in 2010, has then expanded to include Iran, Egypt, Ethiopia and United Arab Emirates. Right now, we are looking at Prime Minister Modi now waving at the media and, of course, leaving for the 16th BRICS Summit, this time around hosted by Russia, specifically in Kazan. Let's talk a little bit about the top agendas as far as Prime Minister's visit to Russia is concerned. He is going to attend the BRICS Summit in Kazan with the main discussions set for Wednesday, which is tomorrow, of course. India views BRICS as crucial for global multipolarity and addressing global challenges. This is the word that Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said yesterday while talking to the press. The Foreign Secretary also said that the grouping also serves as a vital platform to tackle a range of global challenges while also contributing to shape a fairer, more exclusive and open international order. Siddhant, my colleague, is back with us on the broadcast to bring us more details with regards to what exactly is going to be there on the table. What kind of talks are we expecting? Siddhant, so over to you. We are looking at the live visuals of Prime Minister Modi finally leaving for Kazan. It's going to be a very, very hectic and busy day for him.
Well, absolutely. It's going to be a short but action-packed visit of Prime Minister Modi to Kazan. And in fact, always remember that BRICS is very, very important for India because this grouping was formalized during the first meeting of BRIC foreign ministers on the margin of UNGA in New York in 2006. And in 1990s, it was started as a troika between Russia, China and India. And gradually, Brazil joined, South Africa joined, and it became BRICS. So it is perhaps the founding member and is also seen as the counterweight to G7. India has always maintained, perhaps Prime Minister Modi has always maintained the position that BRICS should not be seen as anti-Western, should be seen as non-Western. And the other world leaders also agrees to what Prime Minister Modi says. In fact, a further expansion of BRICS took place last year in 2024 with 5 new members, which include Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates. India backed the membership of these 5 nations. The BRICS, the expanded BRICS with the addition of the new members has a combined population of about 3.5 billion or 45% of the world's population. The combined economies of the members are worth more than $28.5 trillion, about 28% of the world economy. Perhaps, BRICS is seen as a counterweight to G7 and also, the kind of, and BRICS also projects itself as a democratic, grouping. So Prime Minister has him planned for Kazan. He would be returning tomorrow. All eyes would be on his meeting with President Putin today, and most likely is going to meet Chinese President Xi Jinping tomorrow. Given the announcement that Foreign Secretary made, we could expect the Modi-Xi Jinping meet to take place in Kazan, perhaps for the first time after 2019, when both leaders met for the bilateral talks.
Right, Siddhant. Thank you so much for laying out Prime Minister's entire schedule for our viewers and, of course, touching upon the important points that we need to watch out for. Right now, it's time for a quick commercial break here on CNN News 18. Do stay on with us. We'll come right back with more stories on the other side.